Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari could not open the page because the server stopped responding in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing the issue that your Safari is unable to open any page because the server has stopped responding. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to connect with a different and stable network connection. You have to make sure that the network you're using is working well. You can also try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then go to settings here, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, just simply go back and here just go to software update. You can also try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just simply go back from here and just go to apps section. Here look for Safari app, and in Safari you can try to clear the website data because sometimes it might be that your website data might include some bugs or some viruses, so it can be easily fixed by clearing your website data. Just tap on clear history and website data, select all history, then tap on clear history. So it will clear all the history and website data from your Safari browser. Once you have done, you have to retry to check if the issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your general, go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Once you have selected region, just go back and here go to date and time section. You have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back. You can try to reset your network setting because sometimes it might be a network issue, or you can also try to go to screen time settings here. Let's try to go to screen time privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network, it will be fixing this app, so you will not get the issue again. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video, bye bye.